Wow, it's a lot of static there.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McLean County until 4:45 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lexington, or 12 miles southwest of Fairbury, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lexington, Colfax, Pleasant Hill, Cropsey, and Anchor. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 181 and 182. Here is a